Hi everyone! Welcome back to another gardening adventure. Today, let's start with a little inspiration. Philippians 4:13 says, "I can do all this through him who gives me strength." And as Alice Walker said, in nature, nothing is perfect and everything is perfect. So let's dive into 12 veggies you didn't know thrive in the shade. First up, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and arugula. These thrive in partial shade, especially during hot summers, needing just 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. Next, root vegetables such as beets, carrots, and radishes. They can tolerate some shade but need at least 4 hours of sun for optimal growth. Then we have brassicas like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. These can handle partial shade, ideally 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, and the shade can improve their flavor by preventing bolting in hot weather. Peas are another great option. They prefer cooler temperatures and can produce well in partial shade, especially in warmer climates. Bush beans and pole beans also make the list. They need at least 4 hours of sunlight but can tolerate some shade. Swiss chard, similar to other leafy greens, thrives in partial shade. Mustard greens are another leafy green that prefers partial shade, especially during hot weather. Turnips can tolerate some shade but need at least 4 hours of sun for good root development. Radishes are also shade tolerant, with at least 4 hours of sun. Celery prefers cooler temperatures and can handle partial shade, ideally with 4-6 hours of sunlight. And finally, potatoes. They need at least 6 hours of sunlight but can tolerate some shade, especially in warmer climates. So there you have it, 12 veggies that can thrive even in the shade. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you found it helpful. Happy gardening, everyone!